Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po yung likod, si War Makinay, and today we'll be reviewing my very first gel blaster. I bought this from Madam Kang Mutuk of Hydro Blasters MNL 3 years ago? 2 years ago. At least 2 years ago. This is the Lehui Chris Vector. One of the reasons why I wanted this before is that I wanted to convert this into a airsoft because the Chris Vector is very expensive in airsoft. But during those times, I've seen how wonderful the Gel Blaster world is, and its safety and its affordability. So I bought more. Okay, let me continue with the review. Okay, first one is the quality. This one is made of nylon construction. So it's really very sturdy. Oh, ouch! Really very sturdy. Why is this not locking? It's very sturdy. Ouch. The unit comes with this is a not left-handed clockwise thread. So something to remember if you're going to buy accessories for this one. Left hand clockwise 14 millimeters. So it will be a somewhat difficulty in finding stuff. I already designed a suppressor now hop up for this unit. Unfortunately, it's not printed. I have nothing available at the moment, so it's not installed. Comes with a fake non-illuminated sights. I mean, not red dot, but fake red dot sight. Flip up sights, what is very nice is a co-witness. This also comes with a flashlight and a laser attachment, and which is I already misplaced. Oh, this is not included. This is mine. It looks really funny. The magazine for this one is a standard long rounder, long, not og, Glock magazine. Fortunately, it's misplaced, so I have a dual drum mag, which looks really nice. When it comes to trades, it has 45 ACP, and this one is funny. It's a typical Chinese one. Chris DCC Tor, not Vector. This one already passes the Chinese copyright value, so this is fine. Transcended. Chris, and trades. That's basically it. When it comes to features, this one comes with a computerized MOSFET from the start. That's why it has an ambidextrous, single, tri-verse, and full auto selector. It's because of the computerized MOSFET. And selector here. Since this one is a computerized MOSFET version, please be careful when it comes to upgrades of this one. If you burn the MOSFET, there's no aftermarket replacement. Well, depending on your location. Battery space, very limited. It's here on the grip. Oops, and it fell. It can only fit this type of batteries. I'm using we'll use a 7.4 for this one, for this demo. Because, again, I do not want to burn the MOSFET. Oh. Semi. Oh, no. Sounds really nice. Drivers. Full auto. Nice. BB capacity. not much. It's somewhat similar to the ARP9. The magazine is around this long, so very limited capacity. That's why this one is nice. Magazine primes here. Battery space, very limited. BB capacity, again, limited unless you have a dual drum mag. FPS is around 200. I haven't upgraded this unit because, again, this one has not a nylon, even weaker, an ABS clear gearbox. So very limited when it comes to upgrades. Please do not upgrade to the max. If it breaks, it's gone. Range, this barely hits the 10-meter mark without the hop up. So because it has a very thin plastic barrel around here. Somewhat same with the ARP9. Uh, yeah, ARP9 or PDX, and even shorter. See, plastic inner barrel also. Very short. On this one. Price. Oof, how much did it cost? Around 6 or 7 thousand 2 years ago. This one is very a rare unit nowadays. You cannot rarely find one in the market. There's another version. I forgot the brand. It's available, but it's very expensive. This one is fine. As you can see, there's a orange markings to make it safer in the Chinese market. But there's a black kit that changes all of this to black. For me, it's nice. It makes it looks unique. Overall, oh, I forgot folding stock, but that happens. This kit also has a adapter for this one if you want to have to remove the folding stock, to use M4 stock, and if you just want to use a sling mount here. So it's very versatile. Okay. Anything else? For me, it's one of my crowns of my collections because this one is very rare nowadays. So if you have one, take care of it, keep it stock or minimal upgrades, and try to hold on to it if you are a collector. Uh, hmm, I really want to do something about this one, but I don't have much time. Too many things to do. If you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!